My lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be having fun with you guys. So I have a very beautiful plate, which is Shop Ants XL009. I already have a base on my nails. It's a beautiful color, although it's very hard to picture. So this is the Born Pretty, and I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's purple and I believe green. So it only has a number in the bottom. I know I had this for the longest time. It's just regular polish. I do have a Mundo de Uñas, which is 17 gold. And then I have my AliExpress stamper. If I'm not mistaken, I think I ordered this one from AliExpress. I will look for the links. I'm also going to leave the link to their actual store. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. I will stamp my nails. I kind of have an idea, but I'm debating in these flowers and this right here. But I think I'm going to keep it simple. I think I'm just going to stamp this right here. Now, before I get started, there's a couple of things you can do when you actually have longer nails. Like, you know, that's not going to be enough for my nails. So there's one thing that you can actually do. Instead of stamping the whole thing, I mean, you decide what you want to do. I'm just going to show you the things that you can actually do if you run into this kind of issue. It's not even an issue, it's just, yeah. So you can grab like a piece of tape or something, and I didn't even have anything planned for this. So we're gonna just go ahead and let's see. I should just stamp part of it. So I'm just gonna put this right here because I'm only gonna stamp part of it. So let me just shake my polish, and I already cleaned my plate, but I will clean it again. And I think I'm gonna use this one. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it simple but beautiful. Now, if you're not new to my channel, you guys already know I usually don't plan anything. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start stamping. Now that's a, you can do this when you have longer nails in the actual image on the plate. And you can either I mean, you can actually put this again right here and stamp the rest. You decide what you want to do. I think I actually gonna leave my nail right there, and I will do the rest. I'm gonna go a little bit higher though. I think that's good enough. Alright guys, so let me just go ahead and stamp the rest of the nails, and then I'll be back. Guys, so almost done swatching the whole plate. My mani turned out okay. I like it. Really it's really fancy. I don't know, what do you guys think? But before I finish swatching the plate, I wanted to, you know, come back and talk to you guys. This plate is awesome. I love Chopin's plates. They always stamp really nicely. But I wanted to do the butterflies while I was talking to you guys, just because alright, so let me just show you. So when you see these two butterflies, you're probably gonna say, well, how am I gonna stamp those on my nails? My nails are not that big. So what you can do, you don't have to pick up the butterflies at the same time. You can actually pick up one and then you can pick up the other one. And I'm gonna stamp it here anyways on my thumbnail, and I have gel polish so I can always get rid of it with some acetone. And that's how that butterfly will look on your nails. Oops. It's really nice. You guys can see no problem. And then we're gonna pick up the other one. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it one of my nails. Oopsie, oopsie. Now, I said this before and I'm gonna say it again. When you have a plate or image that you know, is pretty deep, like the edging is pretty deep, or it's just too much going on, and you pick up a lot of polish, I always recommend to make sure, give it a couple of seconds before you actually stamp on your nails. So that's the other butterfly. So again, these are big, but they will probably fit some short nails. You just have to pick up one and then the other one. Yeah, you guys, so other than that, I hope you guys like this mani tutorial / review. I love this plate. I'm gonna leave the link for you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys.